What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Primis 2.0. First of all, what is Primis? Primis is our pre-wash. We chose this pre-wash to become alkaline. Now with alkaline there's also some difficulties, because when we raise a pH level we also tend to reach into a dangerous area of strong caustic ingredients. With Primis, it's a little bit different. We removed all these caustic ingredients, making a very strong yet safe detergent to clean all the surfaces on the car. Main goal for pre-wash is to take off any dirt that is sacrificial, mainly loosely on the surface, or softening it so much that it's very easy to remove. Its main target is to tackle anything organic. Now I'll give you a couple of examples. Anything from a grease, oil, bug impacts, bird impacts, those kind of things coming from a living substance, meaning it is also very good to use in these sequences. Now we always tend to say from a point of view that our product is safe, but when we put these products to the test at the VDA, an independent body in Germany, now we are proud to have the first pre-wash in the world having the VDA A certification. This is an upgrade. It used to be the Primis 1. Now with Primis 2.0 we have differences. Difference number one is that the dilution ratio has expanded. Now the reason for this is that people were asking also to use this product for the preparation of polishing, so we had to increase the power without losing the safety. The final thing that we changed is that we found out that in unprotected cars it's very difficult to get off the traffic film with an alkaline pre-wash. So for that we upgraded Primis 2.0 to also make it a bucket shampoo in an alkaline, and then is capable of removing the traffic film with a substantial amount of lubrication in the product. Now how that's going to look like, I'm going to show you in the next sequence. We are going to start with the wheels, and for that we are going to use a dilution of 1:5, and that by itself is already an upgrade, because the old formula used a 1:3 dilution to get to the same cleaning power. Now 1:5 is already a nice increase, and it's also the maximum dilution I use for washing my wheels. In this case I'm going to use a spray bottle to make it nice and comfortable, because it's not a big surface that I have to treat. What we can do is think about the situation on the car. No part of the car is equally dirty. We know for sure that the hood, the roof and the bonnet are less contaminated than the side of the car. Meaning that if I make one dilution in my foam gun, it might not be strong enough to take off anything that's here or at the back. So for this, we are going to do what we call double action. We have two types of sprayers. A simple one for smaller regions like the front bumper. You have bug impacts. Nice and strong dilution for the bug impacts. When that product is on the surface, we are going to use one of the foam guns. These foam guns look a little bit different. The fact is that this one is a pre-diluted with like 1:10, and this one we use pure. And the funny thing is that because of the nozzle inside here, the end dilution is the same. So let's do this part of the car with a spray of 1:10, and then put pure product in here and cover it, and let's see what happens. 1:10. Dirtiest part is this. I don't need to spray this because I am confident that this product is capable of removing everything else. And now comes the art of the foam. What type of a foam would we like? I know you guys masters in putting foam on and that you like a nice thick layer of foam. However, if the foam is too thick, it becomes too heavy and it falls down too fast, meaning we have less time. What we want is the maximum amount of time on the surface. Let's see what happens. The question always I get is, how much time should I leave this on the surface? I can tell you people, we have a safe product that cannot do anything wrong on the car. Even when it dries up, it doesn't create any issues. The only thing it doesn't do is work, because a soap needs water. It's always together with water. I think I did a little bit too much here. So you can clearly see that we have faster dragging here. We are losing a lot of foam foam is not touching here anymore, so we lose cleaning power. That was a good thing that we are using the double tap to have that already here. On that side, I have a more homogeneous application where you see less foam, however, it's sticking better. If we get it 2 to 3 minutes, we're already at maximum performance. Anything longer, fine by me. Okay, now it's time to rinse off. Let's see if there is anything left. Crap, it's clean. However, still I'm going to do the demonstration. If by any chance this turns black, brown, any color than the white of the tissue, we know for sure there's traffic film there. If we would now immediately follow up with Purifica, it's going to interfere with that traffic film. And I know that the traffic film is also containing of minerals, but I want to get rid of the minerals that's in the paint, not in the traffic film. So, how to remove that traffic film safe and effective? We change Primus into a bucket wash shampoo. I know there's 1 to 10 in here. I got a bucket over there. I just pour this inside of here. I told you for a foam gun, I only use 1 to 10. If I use anything else, I would use a sprayer to decontaminate those parts with a pre-spray and then cover it with the 1 to 10. You can increase your dilution up to 1 to 100 if your car is protected. I tell you honestly, a 1 to 50 is a very interesting and very cheap dilution to get a good performance of this product on the car that's already protected. That is the total and new upgrade about Primus 2.0.